Hello friends, now we will see the three variable K-map. In three variable K-map, the number of cells will be equal to 2 raised to power 3, that is 8. And the 8 cells can either be drawn like this, okay, that is like this or like this, either vertically or horizontally. So in this case, okay, like this. So if the variables are A, B, C, then this to be considered as MSB and this to be considered as LSB. So A, B, C either as 2 into 4 form or as 4 into 2 form. Okay, so in this case you have to take A, B, two variables this side, and that is row wise, and one variable as column wise. So if we consider this particular case, then in this case A can have two possible values 0 and 1, and for these two variables BC can have, okay, BC can have, now let us suppose draw a demarcation line here. So BC can either have 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. However, this coding is not gray code, so we use gray code here, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. So see the gray code case here, that between these two values only one variable is changing, that is C. Similarly, when we consider these two values, that is this one and this one, only one variable is changing, that is this one. Okay, similarly if we consider these two cases, then only one bit is changing or one variable is changing, and this one is, that is this one, this, okay, and this. Similarly if we compare these two, that is from this variable with this variable, okay, this number and this number, then only one bit is changing, that is this and this. So similarly for the case here, the gray code is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0, and C will be 0 or 1 for this. Now if we enlarge this part, you can use any of these two notations for three variable K-map. Now let us suppose we draw 2 into 3 variable, sorry, 2 into 4 form of 3 variable K-map, and it looks like this. Okay, so here variable a, b, c, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here in this cell, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, c is equals to 0. It means this cell represents binary value 0. Similarly, here it is a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 1. This represents binary cell, sorry, decimal value for this cell as 1. For this particular cell, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 1. This is 3. For this cell, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 0. This is 2. Similarly, if we go for this side, that is a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 0. This is decimal value 4. A is equals to 1 is equals to c and b is equals to 0, that is decimal value pi, and here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 0, 6, and for this particular cell a is equals to b is equals to 0 equals to 1, that is 7. So in this way you can see here that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that is in this way. You have to move from this side to this side and jump to this side, then come back downward, come downward, then move this side and then this side, like this. Okay, so let's have an example here. Minimize the following using K-map. And the question is f a b c is equals to summation m 0 1 4 5. Okay, so let's draw the K-map. Okay, A B C 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Now just write down the decimal values of each cell. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This makes easy to fill up the entries for the given boolean function. Now 0 0 1 4 and 5. Okay, now here in this particular case, that is in 3 variable K-map, group of cells can be one cell can be 2 raised to power 1, that is 2 cells, 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 cells, 2 raised to power 3, that is 8 cells. Okay, and if we group these cells, let's rewrite this terminology again, or shifting it at the downward size. When group of single cell is formed, then no variable is eliminated. When group of 2 cells is possible there, then one variable will be eliminated. When group of 4 cells is possible, then 2 variables are eliminated. 2 variables will be eliminated. When group of 8 cells are possible, then 3 variables will be eliminated. And in 3 variable K map, either we can have a single cell group, or a 2 cell group, or a 4 cell group, or an 8 cell group. So this grouping will be done using gray code adjacency. Gray code adjacency. Okay. Gray code adjacency says that we can group 2 cells if they are one gray code apart, or you can say that consecutive gray codes are there. Like suppose if we fill up 1 1 at this position, then there is a possibility of 2 cells grouping at this position, and here you can see here that only one bit is different, or one variable is different, that is nothing, A here. Okay, similarly if there is a 1 1 at this position, then we can also form this group, because for this particular group only one bit is different, that is B, because for this yellow group the value of A will remain as 1 and value of C will remain as 1. So when we write Boolean expression for this and this cell, so let's consider first this cell, then this can be written like this: the variable which has different value throughout this cell will get eliminated, so the final result will be B bar C bar. Similarly in this particular case, the variable different in this case is B, so that it will get eliminated and the value will be this. So the function for this particular K map will be B bar C bar plus A, C. Now let's solve this question. Here you can form a group of 4 cells. Okay. So group of 4 cells, if we see row wise, A is changing, it means A gets eliminated. Okay. And C is also changing, it means C gets eliminated. Only B variable remains same. So the function for this grouping will be B bar, because the value of B for this particular grouping of cells is 0. That's why this is B bar. So the final answer will be B bar for this example. Okay. Now let's see the possibilities of grouping. Then we will take another example. Group of 8 cells. Group of 8 cells means all the 8 cells are filled up with 1. So the largest possible group is this one, and the another condition is that you have to form minimum number of largest possible groups. So this will represent F is equals to 1. Let's see another example, that is group of 4 cells. Suppose group of 4 cells, if 1 is there. Okay, let's not draw 1, just see the grouping, possible groupings. If 1 is there, then this one and this 1 can be combined with this one. That is, this is one possibility of group of 4 cells. This is another possibility of grouping of 4 cells. This is another possibility of grouping of 4 cells. This is another possibility of grouping of 4 cells. Okay. It means so many cases, possible cases are there, like one is there, then this one, and this represents P bar. If 1 is there in these 4 cells, then this is another possible grouping, and in this case the value will be C. If in this case, if 1 is there, then the grouping results in the Boolean function B. Similarly, if A1 is in this particular cell and these 2 particular cells, then this group is also possible. So this results in, because throughout this group A is changing and B is changing, this results in C bar. Okay, you can see here B has different value for this complete group and A has different value for this complete group. So the constant value is C. That's why this results in C bar. Another way of having group of 4 cells is this one. So in this particular group only variable A remains constant. That's why this function results in the Boolean function f is equals to A bar. Similarly, another possibility can be like this, that is 1 1 1 1. For this group A remains same and the value is 1, that's why the function will be A. Okay, and group of 2 ones, that is a grouping of 2 cells. Here in this case, grouping of 2 cells possibilities are as follows. If a 1 is there and a 1 is there, this is a possibility of forming group of 2 cells, and this represents, because A is constant and C is constant for this group, so the value will be A bar, because A is equals to 0 here, and C bar. Similarly, you can also, there will be possibility of one but at this position only, 1 1. So grouping can be done like this. So this represents A C bar, and there are so many of possibilities of grouping of 2 cells like this. This one is also possible, this one is also possible, this one is also possible, this group is also possible, this group is also possible, this group is also possible. Okay, so number of possibilities are more as if we decrease or we form smaller cell. Okay, so let's have an example of 3 variable K map. Suppose the question is f a b c is equals to summation m 0 3 5 and 7. So we know that these decimal values can be filled up at these positions. Okay, now filled up the values, that is 0 3 5 7. Okay, here possibility of forming a group, this one and this one, because if we leave this particular one individual, then this will generate a term with 3 variables, so we form a group of 2 cells. Okay, and the final group is this one. So the terms represented by individual. This for this particular cell, this is A bar because A is equals to 0 here, B bar because B is equals to 0 here, and C bar because C is equals to 0 here. That's why A bar, B bar and C bar. For this particular group, A is changing, that's why A gets eliminated and the value will be BC. For this group, A will remain same and value is A, and another variable that will remain same is C, so this is C. So the final answer will be A bar, B bar, C bar plus AC plus BC, and this is the final answer. Let's have another example. Suppose function A, B, C is equal to summation M 0, 2, 4, 6 and 1 and 3 are also there. Okay, so here in this case this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we filled up the values, this will be 1, 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 and this will be 1. Rest will remains 0 here. Okay, so the possible grouping is largest group of 4 cells and the largest group of 4 cells, this one, and hence 2 groups are possible with 4 cells. Okay, so this cell represents A bar and this particular group represents A bar and this group represents C bar because else gets eliminated. Remaining variables gets eliminated. So the function will be A bar plus C bar. Okay. Thank you.